guys? Speedy Vargas here once again, and today we got another video update on the EXO S4. Unfortunately, this is not the update video I wanted. We were supposed to make it to S4 Race Wars in Ohio. That's why we picked up the EXO a week before that, so we had enough time to work on it, but nothing worked out the way we wanted to, so we didn't make it. But we got some videos, some lap time videos of us dropping the engine and doing some work on the car. So let's take a look at those, and then I'll come back and explain what went wrong and where we're at with the car. Alright guys, so you just saw us drop the engine, separate the transmission. We inspected the clutch, and the clutch looked brand new. And we saw some problems with the slate cylinder. The way they installed it at an angle. So we thought, at least I thought, that was the main problem, the main issue. So I got a new slate cylinder, install it properly, and I also got a new master cylinder for the clutch. And I thought that was it, but unfortunately the car still won't go in gear when it's on. The clutch will not disengage, so I'm still having that issue. So I'm gonna have to drop the engine again, separate the transmission, and I think it's the clutch basket that has an issue, or the fork for the throwout bearing. I think that's where we're gonna have the issue. But at least we were able to finish everything else on the car. We got the fuel system all set up, and the car starts and it runs as long as you know, I started in first gear and it starts going like you saw in the beginning of the video. So we'll just continue working and see how we can get this resolved and continue doing progress on the car. We are trying to mount our mirrors. No, pero sin eso primero. Here, and we weren't just gonna do that because it will look kind of bad and ugly. So I actually cut a couple templates and we're gonna weld those on there. And then that's gonna go right on top. So it should look better. Let's continue. There we go. We got a flat surface now. And yep, I like that. Let's do the other side. All right, so we already got the holes drilled and tapped. So we got two 6mm stainless steel bolts. So I think that looks good. Right? Very good? All right, so we are all done. There we go. One more shot of that one. And that one. There we go. Blue reflection looks really nice. Alright guys, so that was the installation of the blue reflection carbon fiber F1 mirrors, and that's gonna be it for this video. I wish I had more updates on the car, but that's as far as we are right now. There'll be a lot more videos to come, so if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.